Ever wondered when a woman really starts to miss you? It's not when you text her every day. It's not when you chase her. The truth is far deeper. Today, I'll reveal when she misses you the most and how Stoic men use this to keep their power and peace. Let's dive in. 1. She misses what she can't control. When you stop being easy to reach, she feels your absence deeply. She can't control you anymore, and that's when her mind gets restless. A Stoic man never lets his life revolve around her. He keeps his own space sacred. The more she fails to control you, the more she starts to crave you. 2. Silence speaks louder than words. When you go silent, you force her to hear her own thoughts. Your silence makes her question her own worth. She wonders what you're doing, who you're with. Silence is powerful. It builds mystery. Stay silent and watch her curiosity turn into longing. 3. When you level up without her. A woman misses you when she sees you grow alone. When you become better, stronger, richer in mind and life. Without her, she realizes she lost a man who didn't need her to succeed. Your growth is the biggest revenge and attraction tool. Level up quietly. Let her watch from a distance. 4. When you don't break first. Most men break no contact too soon. A Stoic man waits, and waits more. He never begs or explains himself. She misses you when you don't fold under her games. Your strength makes her respect you and crave you again. 5. She misses the man who walks away. Walk away when respect is lost. Walk away when games start. When she sees you can leave, she fears losing you forever. She misses the man who can't be chained. Be willing to walk, and you'll never have to chase. Conclusion. Women don't miss the man who clings. They miss the man who disappears to protect his peace. They miss the man who chooses himself first. Stay stoic, stay grounded, stay silent when needed, and watch how she starts missing you the most when you're no longer there to chase her. If you found this powerful, hit subscribe. Become the Stoic man she'll always regret losing. See you in the next one. Stay strong, stay stoic.